Hi, I'm Chelsea from Northern Gulf Resource Management Group. Thank you to everyone who attended our Regenerative Agriculture Field Day in Mutchilba at John and Grace Gargan's farm. Here are a few highlights from the day.
Mutchilba, looking lush after the wet. They came from all over to learn about healthy plants, soil and cows that help keep the weeds down.
I think that's possibly one of the secrets, is that the cattle are actually eating everything and then having a balanced diet, and then they're actually putting back on the country what's needed. And I think they're excellent, and I should actually thank my cows for the job they've done. You speak my language.
That's the thing, like, it's really important to get
that most crucial of ingredients, healthy soil.
Nearly even like not too dissimilar from sand. So if anyone wants to have a actual look from that, but it is building in that top layer. You can see the change of colour there.
Just like humans, plants do best when they're happy.
We want to find the space where that plant is happiest. In other words, therefore, it will maximise its photosynthesis, it will maximise its production. That is what we're looking for.
Yeah, and it gets less stress.
Yeah, less stress, less disease. You know, when you're happy and you're healthy, you can go into a room full of sick people and you don't get sick because you have an innate immune system. And it's the same in a healthy plant.
The crimper in action, knocking over cover crops to nourish and protect those lucrative cash crops.
Because at the moment, a lot of ours, with the rundown in the carbon and the humus in the soil, when they're not actually storing that amount of moisture to grow the next crop, and there's still that mentality down in the croppers that you've got to have a bare fallow to store moisture. But people start to realise once they start using cover crop that's a bit of a paradigm that they've got to shift.
About 70 people came to our field day at Mutchilba. They enjoyed good company, a very good morning tea, and they went home inspired by lots of good ideas.
This has been a fantastic day. Thank you to everyone who took part, and to the Australian Government's National Land Care Program for making this Healthy Farming Futures event possible.